Nike Ja 2 Team Bank Gray and White blends elegance with high-performance functionality, crafted for today's fast-paced athletes. Its streamlined design, dressed in a clean gray and white palette, offers a refined yet sporty look that transitions effortlessly from court to street. Built with durable, lightweight materials, the shoe delivers exceptional comfort, support, and breathability, key for players who rely on agility and speed. Responsive cushioning and dynamic traction work together to provide stability and grip, ensuring quick cuts and explosive movement feel natural. The construction also prioritizes long-lasting wear, making it suitable for intense training or game day action. Subtle branding and a sleek silhouette lend the Ja 2 a sophisticated edge while maintaining a performance-first focus. Whether you're chasing fast breaks or navigating everyday wear, the Nike Ja 2 Team Bank Gray and White is engineered to keep up, combining advanced footwear technology with a minimalist aesthetic that appeals to athletes and style-conscious fans alike.